Neja wa cikaro cia mbunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuria mihango omothe ithararirio ni ndugamano iria iyumiririe kuo iria icungiririe mabitha a borithi kuingirira niguo guthararia gikundi kia MCAs aria makwihotorete kweheria mutongoria wa aige mbunge-ini yo Abdiguyo kuma wabici-ini.
He has gone against the court orders and restricted the speaker from accessing the chambers to who has claimed that the governor wants to kill him. It is not possible to continue being a majority leader for a government that wants to kill him.
Nigukoretwo na mugayukano muhiu gatagati ka MCAs a kaunti ya Nairobi amwe makinyita mbaru gucokio gwa speaker Beatrice Elachi nagi aria maratongorio ni Guyo makiregana na undu uyu na nimerigite kugeria kwa rita ria keri kuhagura Elachi. Aruna ao nao marabanga kweheria Guyo na marathura MCA wa Dandora Charles Thuo kuya ithenya riu.
We must come up with the caucus. They should vote for whoever they want. And I can assure you, if we go for vote, I'll still win. This is NASA people making noise.
They are pretending that the issue is about Elachi. It is not about Elachi. It is about the board. It is about the corruption that has been happening on the board, and they are fighting back because they know that what will be found out, including the clerk signing letters for people to leave the country in the pretense of being county executive members.
That Guyo must stop and he must stop. These shenanigans must stop. We are not interested in sideshows. We want to work for Nairobi.
Kiumia kihituku MCAs aria maranyita mbaru Elachi ni matagemanirie mbunge-ini woiguano uria wakinyanirio ni mucemanio wa MCAs a kiama kia Jubilee kaunti-ini ino na hamwe na Guyo kweherio. Ona muhuri mucarica wa ithira wa Chege ni eheririo na ithenya ria kerekio yo ni June Ndegwa.
MCAs wamejaza mabuduki hapa ndani. Mimi ningeomba DCIO hata awanyang'anya hizi mabuduki sababu hapa watu watakufa.
Other counties are making decisions. We need to respect the party. The party has decided, it has given us the power. We can't be taking the party to court. We can't be taking the president to court because it's decided these are the rules, these are the laws, and this is how my party should be run.
Ndugamano ya muthenya wa umuthe mbunge-ini no igithie na mbere na kuhithuria thina munene uria uhithanitio guku na ningi gukahana ta ngui thiini wa mbunge no ri mutugo ubatie ni gwitikirika no ugathararia utungata kuri muingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.